nice, really good expo.
Amazing.
Very premium quality.
Good expansion for our business.
A very good opportunity for do a very big business.
Çok memnunuz.
Çok güzel.
10 üzerinden 10 verebilirim.
We are happy to be part of this fair.
It was beyond of my expectation.
The trade show is increased square meter per square meter every year.
Gitgide gelişiyor ve güzelleşiyor.
That changing the venue has been an upgrade.
That traffic, wow.
There are more exhibitors, more visitors.
There is a lot of potential here.
Çok çeşitli ülkelerden katılımcılar var.
Ülke çeşitliliği çok zengindi.
We've got a lot of opportunities to export.
The fair is growing and also we are growing together.